Hello guys, welcome to another video of this channel. So in this video I'm actually going to show you how you can create an amazing intro for your channel using Filmora 13 like this one. So to get started, you just go to new project and click on it, and this will open the software. And you have to come to this place called templates. Now here you'll be presented with a bunch of templates. You can actually look for a template based on your niche, like what you make videos about. So in the YouTube intro, they kind of have different intros for different niches, so they're gonna group them together. So for example, I've got this one, kind of like stay at home. I don't know, maybe it teaches on how to do things for moms. So I run a channel on tech, so that's what I'm looking for, a tech channel. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to scroll down here. I think I have tech this side. Then I'll be presented with these other intros, right? For this one, for unboxing, I can download all of them, but I just want to download a few, possibly a few of these. So you have to choose a perfect template for yourself. Then you'll have to edit this template, right? And maybe customize a little bit. Put some logos. So this is what you're going to do. So I've downloaded some of these templates, and what I'm looking for basically is a template that is 10 seconds and less, and that reveals like a logo and things like that. And I'm actually looking for something that is in the tech sector. So I've seen some of these, and so I think this one might do. So I'll drag this one, possibly come and put it here. Then I want to mesh to media. And then I'll put it here. I want to render it so that at least, it plays nicely without no problems. So I want this one to be a little bit, okay, fine. I've rendered it. Then possibly play it with sound. I don't think it does it with sound. It's nice though. So in addition to this one, there is another one. This one has like a blue message, but I don't want this kind of color. So I have another one, and mostly I think this one will be nice. I think this one, and again this one, click on the search rather than this one with the blue one. That clicks on the arrow. I don't want that. I want something that clicks on the search. So I think I'll drag this one here. Okay, here. So I think this one is fine. So I think I'm going to delete this one. I'm going to choose this one, and then delete the red one. Then delete this one too. Okay, now then this one is fine. Right, and now to edit it, right? To edit, you simply come here and click replace material, right? And then, or you can just right, then after that you can just come to expand template. Now this will expand a template like this, right? Now you need to do certain things right here. You need to replace certain things. This one you're going to leave it like this. And then on the background right here, you can come to, you drag this one and then you just put like this, and then you click replace. So this will replace the background that wasn't available before. So this one, then this one is good. Let's see this one. So this will be the logo. This is the logo that you need to replace. So in my case, I'm going to, let me go to global media. Possibly, I think I have the logos right here. So what type of logo do I want? And what type of logo do I want? I think I need this one. Right, maybe drag it. Maybe replace it. Yeah, maybe, I think it will do. And then what is this now? Then this will be the logo again. You replace it and replace it. So it's now you've replaced the logo. Now the next thing that you need to do is to replace the text. Where is the text? You need to change this Wondershare, right? you need to change this Wonder Share. I think let me see. You can just click on it. It's not a problem. You click on it, then it will take you on the editor. You go to titles. Then from there you can actually replace it with the CM creations. Okay. So let's start again. Let's start this one over. Then it searches. Okay, now I need to replace the text, this text right here. I can put maybe the name of the YouTube channel. Yeah, I think this one will work, possibly. I don't know, maybe I will change it, but just to finish this. So I'm going to take the link, and this one is the channel link. This one is the handle to the channel. So I think I'm going to copy this one. I'm going to put it there. And I'm going to just put it there. Ctrl-V. Just the handle. So then this will be the text. So let me close this one. I don't think I have anything that I need here. These are the social media links that I use. So I'm going back again to play it. So now if you are done, right, you can actually maybe you can save it. You can go to template, then go to custom, and then save this thing as a custom template. I'll say maybe CM creations 1. CM creations 1. Creations. So, and you exported the device, right? So that's it. So this is very important. So you can actually save this one. Then you can export it on any other, format that you want. But for me, I always love the 1080p, so that's good. So this one will possibly maybe take a few seconds. This is small. I don't know. This is just running a lot of things in the background now. Then I'm going to play it later. So I'll say this logo reveal, maybe intro. So I think if I'm trying to save it this way, it will work. Okay, now this will be the I'll try to edit another one. Okay, but for now I think this will be it. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and until then, see you on the next one.